It's our graduation day, our last day in C8. And as the battalion commander of Batch Masiglahi 2009-2010, I'm standing here in front of you to impart some inspirational message as we bid farewell. But before anything else, I would like to greet each and every one of you a pleasant afternoon, most especially to our guest speaker, Dr. Joselito A. Pia, and to Ms. Thelma A. Orellana, our HR Director. Good afternoon. I am grateful that you are all here in this afternoon in this celebration. It's been 10 months since we gathered together as one in this organization. Together, we built our own map to reach the end of the road. We struggled hard just to survive each obstacle and trial we encountered. And the goals and objectives, the visions of our minds, and the initiative to pursue the task are the things that unite us and put us to where we are now. I remember when one of my senior officers asked me, "Why did you join in C8?" I answered, "Sir, to test myself to the limit." He stared at me and laughed. He said to me that the words he heard were very unusual to hear, yet the cleverest one. I realized that stretching out the mind, skills and power to the extent will gain what it truly deserves. Honestly, I'm very thankful to our aggressors and mentors, most especially to Mr. Ronaldinho and Benitez, our Assistant Commandant, and Ms. Amelita P. Miranda, our Commandant, for being our second parents who continuously guide and support us for making us an efficient cadet officers and one of the finest students in this field. It's really a great pleasure to have them. To our beloved parents, thank you. We appreciated all of the endeavors and sacrifices you have given to us. We love you as much as you love us. To the incoming officers of Batch Masigla, always bear in mind that a great leader's courage to fulfill his vision comes from passion, not position. So be wise and be responsible enough in taking all of the risks and opportunities that will come your way. Instill the discipline in every action that you are about to do. Keep it up and do your duties with all of your heart. To my fellow cadet officers of Batch Masiglahi 2009-2010, a snappy salute to all of you. The passion and the excellence of you in every duty will testify the virtue of our batch. Thank you for the tireless efforts you've made, for the undying hope you've given, and for the deepest love and concern that will last forever. You showed me the affection that fits. So, I'm extending my deepest gratitude to all of you, especially to my buds. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Eugene Chelsea, who's always been there for me from the very start. Thank you, buds. Thank you, batchmates. Maybe some friends come and go like seasons, but you, as my friends, are arranged in my life for good reason. Truly, great companions are hard to find, difficult to live, and impossible to forget. I'm really lucky to have you guys. I love you all. So long, cadets. I know from this moment, you're now looking forward for a brighter tomorrow. So let's stand and take the first step to success. Just always remember that you're braver than what you believe, stronger than what you seem, and smarter than what you think. Congratulations to everyone. Farewell. Long live Batch Masiglahi.